Whether you have been using Xianyu Chinese shopping app for a very long time or you are new to Xianyu Chinese shopping app and you want to refund out of stock or you want to cancel order and get your money back from Xianyu store, consider to stay tuned to this video and see how to cancel order and get a refund for that particular item from any store on Xianyu Chinese shopping app. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Xianyu app. So I'm going to go ahead and open up my Xianyu Chinese shopping app. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and proceed to your chat box. So here we go. So I'm going to use this particular product here as an example. So what I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to open up my chat. Just like so. So this particular product right here, I want to use it as an example. I have already placed order for this product where the seller does not have the the seller does not have the style I want for this particular product. And as a result of this, I'm going to place a refund of 288 yuan without any stress. So let's get started. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taoba, JD.com, Xianyu, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, consider to reach out to me on my WhatsApp via the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's proceed. So the next thing I'm going to do right here, so you can see my chart with the seller right here, okay? So for me to ask for a refund, I need to simply click on here. The next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here. I want a refund. And the next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to check on this. And the next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and select this option. Then go ahead and highlight the statement right here. So I'll simply say seller out of stock. For the style seller out of stock. The next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to submit. Just like so, refund submitted successful. Just like what you see right here. Lastly, I'm going to go ahead and screenshot the part of this refund right here. Then I'll have to make sure I use this to chat up with the seller to quickly grant my refund request. So for that, I'm going to go ahead and click on here. That's going to take me right here. I will send a proof of the refund request from my image right here. Then send. Then I'll go ahead and chat with them. Kindly approve the refund request so I can reorder. I can reorder this new design and send. It's that simple. Once they approve the refund request, the money will be successfully returned back to my Alipay. So you can see, just like so, you can see a response from the seller right here. So you can see a refund has been successfully approved. Then I'll go ahead and exit from my Xianyu right here. And I'll go ahead and proceed to my Alipay to confirm the refund. Go to open up my Alipay right here. Just like so, you can see a notification of 288 yuan back to my Alipay. I'm going to go ahead and click on message right here. Then proceed to my notification. Then proceed to payments. Then here we go. You can see a refund notice from Xianyu Chinese shopping app. It's that simple. Let me know what you think about this particular tutorial in the comment section down below. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how to source cheap product from China using Xianyu Chinese shopping app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.